Hello, welcome to the EH show. Today we're going to build this Lego Friends set, which I'm so excited to build. My name is Emmeline and this set is 41371. In this box you will find bag wipes, some stickers, bag 2, the instructions, and that's it. Let's build Mia before the horse. Mia's legs, and torso, and also the most exciting part, her head, so we can see who it really is, and then her hair. Wow, she also has some different hair. This is her riding hair. Now we're going to build the horse. This is the horse's back, and then we can also take it off. And then, now we can put it on the saddle. And also, we can do something else. There's also this. And then the horse's blanket to make the horse all ready for the journey. Every horse needs something to eat, so now we're going to build a box. First, we'll put the carrot stalk in the carrot, and then put the hay in the box along with the carrot. Do you want something to eat, horsey? Hey! She ate some of the carrot. Here's some more. Yay! Okay, there's some hay too we can eat. Hey! Now we're going to build a trailer where the horse and the horse box is kept. Now I'm going to do some details at the back of the trailer. Then I'm going to flip it over. This goes over here. The black thing goes over here. Right at the bottom. And these two things go on the corners at the bottom. And then these two go on the sides. 1, 2. Now we're going to flip the trailer over because I'm going to finish off the front of it. This goes here. This goes here. This goes here. And there's another one of those. And this goes there. And then this goes here. And this goes little flat pieces go on the other side. Now it's time to finish off this side of the trailer. I'm just going to put this piece here, this big flat piece here, and then these two pieces on top of each other to make my very own brick. And then put it here to make it just like that. So now I'm going to put these two pieces on. This one goes here and this one here. I'm just finishing off the trailer, so now I'm just going to put these over here. Oh, I know what this is. It's a stand for the horse's saddle. Now we're going to put on the sides. Now, one of the sides needs a sticker. You need sticker 4. bought this set at the shop, and there's a piece missing, so we're going to try to build it without it. Anyway, this piece goes here like that. The other piece should go here, and then this piece goes here, and this one goes here, then this one goes all the way across there, and then this piece attaches to this like that, then that's all finished. Now we're going to build the door to the front of the trailer. So I get one of these pieces, take that to the side, put this piece over here like that, and then this piece connects to the other. And then these two pieces go here. Now we're going to finish off the door to the front of the trailer. So this goes here, and then over here there's a piece here, and you need to put on sticker 2 on that one. And then now I'll put that on here, and then it's finished. Half of it is. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for part 2 and like and subscribe. Goodbye.